Good morning, students. Okay, are you ready for the experiment? So, today we are going to perform an activity on the electrical conductivity of graphite rod. Electrical conductivity of graphite rod means how this graphite rod can conduct electricity. As you know, generally all non-metals are the bad conductor of electricity, but this graphite rod is an exceptional non-metal which can conduct electricity. That means it can allow electricity to pass through themselves. Now we can see that how the electricity passes through the graphite rod, and the reason behind this is, can you tell me why this graphite rod can conduct electricity? Anyone?
Graphite rod is made of carbon atom. Each carbon atom has 4 outer electron, but it only bond with 3 neighboring atom and leave 1 atom. There's one free per atom. Such free electron are not fixed to any atom and easily move to a cross layer. And when electric voltage apply, this electron move and conduct electricity through graphite. Because graphite is widely used as graphite rod in batteries and electro. So it is very few non-metal that conduct electricity well.
Hello everyone, I am Sadia from Standard 7A. Today I am here to say some lines about how graphite conduct electricity. Graphite conduct electricity because it has free electrons. In graphite, each carbon atom is bounded to 3 carbon atoms. This leaves 1 electron free from each carbon atoms. These free electrons can move through the layer of graphite. The movement of electrons carries electric current. Therefore, graphite is a good conductor of electricity, though it is an nonmetal.
Okay, students, so you understand that how this graphite rod can conduct electricity. The reason behind this conductivity is that electrons, if any materials have free electrons, then this will conduct electricity. In the same way, this graphite has free electrons to move, so this conduct electricity. Metals, almost all metals have free electrons to move, so all metals are good conductor of electricity, but non-metals do not have free electrons to move, and this non-metal is exceptional non-metal. That means this graphite has free electrons to move, so this can conduct electricity. Now we will see that how this can conduct electricity. We have some electrical component, a battery of 9 volt, some electrical wire to connect electrical components, and an LED bulb which indicate the closed circuit. That means electricity is passing through the circuit, and one graphite rod in the form of pencil, because pencil have graphite rod. When we connect this electric circuit, then this bulb will glow, and this indicate the flow of electricity in the circuit. Now we are connecting this circuit, means now we are completing the circuit. We will connect this circuit by electrical wire. As we are connecting, the bulb will glow. This will indicate that our circuit is complete, and this graphite rod is conducting electricity. If we will connect other non-metals through this circuit, in this circuit, then electricity cannot conduct. That means electricity cannot flow through the circuit. But here we will see that electricity is passing through the circuit. Even this is a non-metal. So we can conclude that this graphite rod can conduct electricity. Means if we connect graphite rod in the circuit, then it will allow to pass electricity through them. Okay? Experiment observations. Good.